Yeah, good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Is my screen visible for all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, today we will draw the hexagonal bolt and how to draw the external threading for a bolt and how to draw the internal threading for a nut. We will see these two topics here today and we will solve one or two examples. And tomorrow I will show some of the commands that we are missed in the previous class. After completion of one or two examples, uh, then we will move to the assembly section. All right. Okay. All right. I will start drawing one hexagonal bolt. Hexagonal bolt can be drawn in two methods. One method is I will show one method. Then after I will go for another method. Right. For hexagonal bolt, we can use the revolve option. In this way, we can draw the hexagonal bolt. Right. I will show how to draw that one. Right. I am in sketcher. Right. For that, we can draw directly one rectangle from here to here. Right. Then one more. Right. I need to remove this one. So right. In this way, we can draw the hexagonal bolt. Rectangular bolt. This one. Hexagonal also we can draw. Right. This is the rectangular bolt. Exit workbench. Here there is option shaft. You just click the center one. Automatically we have the circular bolt like this. Like this we can draw the circular bolt. Uh, Today I will show the hexagonal bolt and I will show how to flat the surface. Right. XY plane sketcher. Right. For drawing the hexagonal bolt, directly we have one hexagon here. Right. Select that one. Alright. Give the length of the hexagon. Select the one side so that it will be easy. Give 6 mm. 6 mm is enough. I will zoom it. Alright. Right. Exit workbench. Extrude the hexagon. Extrude to 6 mm or anything you want. Right. Select one face. Go to the sketcher. Fit to screen. Draw the circle. It has to be drawn from the center circle. Right. Click anywhere. Right. Give the dimension. Give it as a 6. Right. Exit workbench. Right. Pad you give 18. Right. Okay. Right. Now the hexagonal bolt is drawn. Right. Fit to screen. Right. Like this. For this hexagon bolt, we need to draw the threads, external threads for this bolt. For this, I will select one face. Click on the sketcher. Right. Here one line will be formed.
Hello.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Ah,
Some students are waiting for you. Accept.
okay. Thank you. To screen. Right. Now you click on this one. Now take one take one line, one inclined line. Move it from the distance to the corner distance. And we can move it, no problem. Center also we can draw. Okay. Make it give some angle for this one. Select this line and select this one. One second. Select. One second. I will put number my exit workbench. Select the ZX plane. Go to the sketcher. Right. Click on this line, not the rectangle. Right. Next, draw a line by touching this point to the right, like this inclined line you draw. Right, now you can measure the angle of this one. Right, give it to 30 degrees. Okay. Now exit workbench. I need to remove that line. One second. Control Z, I will go. Select the ZX plane. Sketcher. Alright. Select this one. Project 3D element. Next, go to and select that line. Draw a line from this corner to this angle. Measure the angle. Right, give it 30 degrees, or you can give 40 degrees also, no problem. 30 degrees. Next, remove this line. By selecting that line, we can remove, delete. Exit workbench. Now, here there is an option like go to insert command list. Command list. Here one option is there. Here revolve one option is there. Select this one. Okay, directly the plane will be selected with profile, and revolution you take as Z axis. Automatically the plate will be formed. Now we are going to do the it has been not taken the starting. One second. You need to take from the starting. It has been come in the second. Did I explain? Sketcher. Right. Oh, it is taking from center one. That's why we are getting center. Okay, right. Control Z. distance. Like this also we can draw. Next, draw a line. Make this angle. Degrees, enter. Next, remove this line. Right, go to exit workbench. Now also it has been taken from center. Okay, no problem. Insert, view, command list, revolve, revo, revolve, select Z axis. Okay, it has to be taken from top. Okay, no, I will show once again. 180 degrees, enter. Next, there is a tool like insert surface based feature, split option will be there. You plus select this one. Okay, click on OK. Just hide this one. Right, like this we will form the shape. Next, we are going to draw the. Just hide this one. Next, we need to draw the one single point. Previously, we had drawn the spring. In that way only, we need to draw the spring, and we need to take the helix option. Right. Select the ZX plane. Go to sketcher. Right, fit to screen. Right, create one dot. Right, wherever we can draw it. Next, we need to move the point to the this corner of the bolt. Right, for that we need to select the dimension, constraint, from here to right. You make it as 3 plus 1.5, 4.5. You select it. 3. Right. From center to it is 3, and from where to we start, we need to move the like from this point to this point. We need to have some small distance like 0.5 or 0.4. Right, the point is moving to the hexagon of the starting of the hexagon. Next, exit workbench. Exit workbench. Right, you can see starting here. Here it is. Next, go to view, command list. Next, here helix creates helical curve. You press enter the helix. Sorry, here it is gone. Helix creates helical curve. Press on that. And directly sketcher 6 has been selected. Here select the Z axis. Right, automatically enter the pitch like 0.5 or something else, or you can have pitch 2 mm. What is the height? Height we had given 18. Just enter 18. Preview. Okay. Right, like this single line we had drawn. Right. Next, select the ZX plane. Go to the sketcher. This is the 2D thread. We need to make it to 3D. Right. For this, we make a circle, hexagon, whatever we can take. We can take the square. We can take any other shapes. If you want the V type of threads, we can draw V type of threads also. Right. Sketcher. The pitch I had given is 2, so that I will make is 1 mm. Right. Make it the distance from this center point to the circle. Make it as 0. Enter. Right. Exit workbench. Right. Here generally generally we use the rib option. Rib option is used to have the extra thread on the surface, right? That is called as a threading. For bolt we need to have the slot option. You observe carefully. For nut we need to make rib. For bolt we need to make slot. This is the main difference between drawing the nut and bolt. For ribbing it adds the extra material on the surface of the bolt, surface of the nut. For slot it will do the subtraction from the bolt, right? Right. We will take here rib. We'll select the curve like this. We will add preview. Okay. Now for the bolt we have drawn the helical threads. Class ఉంది మళ్ళీ చేస్తా. క్లాస్ చెప్పు. అవును. మార్నింగ్ 5:36 5కి అనుకుంటా. 5కి ఎగ్జాక్ట్ 5కి బిర్లా గేట్ నుంచి ఉంది. బస్ స్టాండ్ నుంచి ఉంది. బస్ స్టాండ్ నుంచి స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్ బయట బస్ స్టాండ్ బయట ఉంటుంది. రాజువారి నుంచి బిర్లా గేటు, మళ్ళీ బిర్లా గేట్ నుంచి 1 టౌన్ పోయి అక్కడ ఎక్కించుకొని మళ్ళీ రిటర్న్ వస్తుంది. అంటే ఎక్కడ దాకా వెళ్తుంది అంటే కొండారెడ్డి బ్రిడ్జ్ కాడ యూటర్న్ తీసుకొని మళ్ళీ వస్తుంది రిటర్న్. మళ్ళీ బిర్లా గేట్కి వస్తుంది. 5:15 5:20 మనం ఫస్ట్ ఎక్కడమే వెళ్ళి. ఎందుకు అంటే అక్కడ ప్యాసింజర్స్ ఉంటారు, రెగ్యులర్ ప్యాసింజర్స్. అందుకు వాడు మళ్ళీ ఒక టర్న్ తీసుకొని వస్తాడు. మదనపల్లి టు వేలూరు, అనంతపురం టు మదనపల్లి టు వేలూరు. పీలేరు దగ్గర పోతుందేమో. పీలేరు కాదు, వేలూరు వెళ్ళే. వేలూరు వరకు వెళ్తా లాస్ట్. right. 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 I will show now. I will show the bolt. Nut. Right. For nut, just draw the. Select the XY plane, go to the sketcher, draw one hexagon. Actually, if I say...
Sir, we can't hear you, sir.
Huh? What? Oh, sorry. Alright, now we will draw the hexagonal nut. For that we need to do the internal threading. Alright, I had selected the XY plane. Next I will draw the outer side. One is hexagon. If you select the center line, then it will be for the center point. With the same dimension I will draw 6 mm. Alright, just zoom it. Right, then directly draw the center circle with same 6 mm. Alright, sketcher, select 6 mm, enter. Right, exit workbench. right? We will pad it up to 30 or 35, whatever we can have that. Actually previously we had given the height is 18 mm, so we will do it 5 mm, right? Like this we will draw the hexagonal nut. Previously we will draw the bolt, right? For this we will do the internal threading. For doing the internal threading, one small extra procedure is there. I will show now. Select the plane, just click on sketcher, right? Next click on the point, same procedure, but we need to take the plane here, that is the important thing, right? Select this point, next select from here to here, it is 3, right? Directly it will touch to the circle outer line of the point. Next exit workbench, next go to the view, command list, helix creates helical curve. Here you can see the name, helix creates an helical curve. Just click on OK. Alright, here you take z axis, right? Like that spring formation will be occurred. What is the height? It is 5 mm. In the reverse direction, we need to just enter the reverse direction. Actually previously I had given the 5 mm, 5 mm not 2 mm I think, right? Preview, right? Okay, right. Here I had given the extra thread has been formed, no problem, right? If you want, we can measure here. We can measure the between the distance. Select this command, select this line, and just move. Just click on the other side. It is 5 mm, right? Okay. Like this, we can use the measuring the distance between 3D elements. Here it is, beside the vernier calipers. Right. Close it. Right. Right, I need to do the helix, view, command list, just go to the helix creates helical curve, just enter. The point is not selected, right? Okay, no problem. I will draw one more time. Go to the sketcher. Oh, point is there. Okay, select the point. No, I had selected the line. No, just revolve like this. Click on the point. Okay, exit workbench. In 2D we cannot see the helix curve, only we need to go for 3D, then we can search for the helix. If you are in the 2D mode, it will not show the helix. We need to exit the workbench and we need to see in the helix, then only we can observe that. Right. Select this point. No, it is in Z direction. Alright, reverse direction, height is 5, okay, pitch is 1, okay, okay, no problem, right, okay, right. Now I had created the helix, 2D helix curve for internal nut. I had drawn the 2D helix curve for the internal thread of the nut. Previously what we had done, we had directly drawn the one 2D curve by selecting the plane. In nut we cannot select the 2D point by going to the 2D. We cannot draw the circle directly. Why? Because it is one circle and another one is outside the helix. So that we need to create here plane. Right, I will show how to do it. This is the important point, right? you select the helix. Right here in plane type you go for the, just click on that, just select normal to the curve. Right, next select the curves. Right, select the curve means this point. Next here we need to select the point, starting point of the curve or ending point of the curve, whatever, which one we can select it. Right, here is my starting point. Right, see that the formation of the plane has been occurred. Why? Because here if you draw directly, I will show directly also. 1 second, after that we will go. Right, directly I will select the ZX plane and go to the sketcher draw a circle, then I will show the difference between that. Right, I have drawn the circle somewhere else. Where is the center point? 1 second, I cannot visible it. Okay. Right, from this point. Right, now go to the dimension, give it like 1 mm or 0.5, enter, just zoom somewhat so that I will take to the center point. Right, click on the center point, click on this starting point of the curve. I did not selected the command. Right, I will make it here 0. Right, enter. I will show in the both methods. Exit workbench. Right, right, right. I will now go with this option. Okay, select the curve, preview. See, warning, sweep loft blend operation phase of the edge, it may be lead to the error. Right, like this errors will be occurred. So we need to select the plane, then only we can draw easily. Right, right, now I will select the plane. Right, go to the plane type, normal to the curve, select the spring and select the point as a starting point of that where you need to draw. Okay, now select this plane, select the sketcher. Now if you draw the circle, then it will be fine, then no problems will be happen. Right, see that here is our plane. In the plane we are going to draw the circle. I will draw here. Right, I will go with 0.7 or 0.8, enter. Now I have drawn the circle. Then we need to move the circle to the center point of the plane. Select this one, command, select this point, then make it as 0. Okay, no, it has not selected the center point. We need to select the right, enter. One more. Right, one more circle is there. I had removed that circle. Okay. Right, select this point, make it as 0. Right, it has been moved directly. Next, go to the exit workbench. Alright, see that starting point of that has been came. Next, just select the here slot button. For nut, for bolt we used rib. For nut we use the slot. That is the main difference. Select the slot, select this one, next, okay. Warning has been given, no problem. Open. Next one. Right? Right, you can see this internal threads has been formed. If you go for this one, actually it has been right like this. We can draw. Go to the isometric view. Right. Like this we will draw the internal threads for a bolt, for a nut. Nut will be external threading, bolt will be internal threading. For internal threading we use the slot, for external threading we use the rib. That is the main difference. Okay, next I will solve few more examples by seeing the PDF. Today I will draw one small 2D diagram, then we will go for the 3D diagram. XY plane, sketcher, we'll go with the den width. I will draw the C section today. Actually, where it is CATIA stuff. It is not here. Right, here it is. I will draw these two diagrams today. 2D. After that we will go one 3D model. Then we will finish off today class. Okay. I will do the control minus so that it will be minimized. I will close this one. Someone has admitted. No one has admitted. Okay. Alright. Go with CATIA. Windows right button. XY plane sketcher already have been there. Right. You go for direct line. We need not to draw with the center. No problem. It is 65. Here we need to make it as 6.50 means it was in meters. We will converting into the centimeters. 6 mm. 65. Okay. Next downwards 10. 10, enter. This side also. Enter. We'll remove this one. Next, from here to it is 40. I will draw the axis line. Right, I will draw one more axis line. Right. For 10 it is 3.5. 6.5 minus 3.5 divided by 2. Why? Because we need to have the both the lines gap. Right? No need to draw this one. Right? I will go with Cal C. 65 minus 35. 35 divided by 2. That is 15. We will minimize this one. Right? I will draw a line here. Make the distance as 35. 35. Enter. From here to here it is 15. 15. Enter. Right. Then draw the straight line with a distance of 10. It is automatically 10. Enter. right? Here total distance is 35. 35 minus 1, 25. 25 divided by 2, 12.5. Right? We need to draw the line with 12.5 mm right side and 12.5 mm left side. We need to analyze each and every dimension. According to dimension only we will draw. If you want, we can cross check it also. 12.5, enter. From this side also it is 12.5. Right, now if you check this, it will be exactly 10. Check the distance between this point to this point. See, like this we can do. Right, next we need to draw the directly this point. Here total, I will draw this line. Here we can analyze directly. It is height is 4.75. Here we have done. Here we are done. Distance is 4.5. Okay. Total distance is 4. 2 minus 2, it is 2. I will draw it directly 2. I will do this side. Monitor draw with the axis line. 20 height. If you want, we can check directly from starting point to this ending point. It is 4. Right, it exactly matched. And here total distance is 2.75. 2.75 minus 1.75. It is 1. Right. Next, draw this line. If we draw with center axis, it is very difficult. It is very easy. We can do the mirroring also. It has been moved somewhere. That's why we need to give the dimension. Okay. Right, okay, I will give the distance here so that it will not move. Now it will not move. Directly we need to draw the inclined line from here to here. Right, same like this, only opposite side. It is 10. Remove it. Draw the axis line from here to here. Join the line. Right, in this way we will draw the 2D diagrams. Right, with all the exact dimensions we have drawn. This one you can see. Right, fit to screen. If you want, we can give the some of the lines, so that some engineer has to give some basic from where to where it is. Right, we need to give this distance. If you want, we need to give this distance. Right, like this we can give the dimensions. We can do the extrude also easily. We can do the padding also. Right, directly enter the pad, enter the angle like 35, enter. Right, fit to screen. Right, isometric view. Right, see. If you want, we can change the color of this also. Directly go to the part body, properties, graphic, go to the color here and select this one, apply. Okay, and we can change the color of this also. This padding I had done manually. Right, I will draw one more 2D figure. Part. For converting 2D to 3D, we need to close the figure, otherwise it will not do the padding. Looks right. 1 second. 1 second. is right. For C section, I will take the center point. It will be easy, right? Here total distance is 125. No, we can draw from starting only. We can do mirror, like if it is closed, we can do the mirror, but it is not closed, so I will draw from starting only. From where to where it is. Total it is 150 minus 125, 12.5, 12.5. I need to minus it. 150 minus 50 minus here also it is 125. What is happening? I need to measure this length. Total length is 150. 150. This length is 125. This one is 100. Right. Directly I will draw with 100 line. Right. Select this line. Measure it is automatically 100. Next. I will do symmetric. Sometimes symmetric is very easy. Select the starting point. No. For symmetric, coincidence. Right. Right. I have fixed this one. Next, I need to draw the axis line. Right. Here to here it is 25. Make it 25. Enter. Right, after drawing this one, alright, here total also I will do 125 divided by 2. If I do the mirror, it will be easy. Select this line to this line, 125 divided by 2. Right, okay. So, okay. Now I will draw the line here, 75 line. Here it is given, from here to here it is 75. For this also I will do symmetric. Select this point, control this point. No. 75 divided by 2. Right, okay. Otherwise you can draw that directly, no problem. It has been not touched. Right, okay. Draw one more line here. Distance between this is 20. Right, we need to measure from, okay, I need to draw the here also. Its total distance is 150. 150 minus 150 divided by 2. Right, from this to this one it is 50. Okay. Now from here to it is 12.5. 12.5. Then right side it is 50. Here to here 37.5. Up to 20 I need to draw the line. It is 20. Only 12.5. No problem. Right. Draw the line here, here to here. Next I need to draw. We can do the mirror. Only this portion is pending. Right side, left side portion. I can do easily mirror. Draw one straight line here. The distance between is 30. Okay. Next delete this one. From to here it is 12.5. Directly I can do. Select this point. Right, like this I need to do. 12.5, enter. Right here. Right, I need to draw this line. From here to here I will join this one. Joining should be happened clearly. Now I will do the mirroring. See how the mirroring will be happens. Right, select this component, and this component. No, this is the x-axis components. Right, select the mirror command, select this axis. Right, right, select this component, select mirror and x-axis. Now inclined lines will be happened. Right, and we can also do this one. Mirror. Let's see. Now only this portion is pending. Here what is the G75? 75 outer side one is 75. Okay. Inner one is from need to measure $50. I think I'll go with 50. It was 50. Enter. Okay, completed. Okay, draw the starting point, and we need to next. But we will remove this axis line. No more in this. Right, completed. C section. This is called as a C section. Windows right. Fit to page. Let's see, as it is according to the same dimensions we have drawn the figure. We can do this one padding also. If you want, we can zoom. Exit workbench. There is a section like this. Message will be happened. We will go for edit option. Where we had not joined, we need to please check the carefully. We will remove this axis line also. The section is opening, then we can over constant or inconstant. The element over constant are taking offset coincidence. We will deactivate this one. Okay. Structure, I will deactivate that one. Okay, no problem. Deactivated. Okay, no problem. In this way we can draw the C sections, and tomorrow class I will show some more few commands in 3D, and I will wind up with the 3D section. V section has been completed. These circular shapes also we can draw easily. We need to have the good command on the arcs and okay. Is there any doubts for the today's session?